My creation is complete! But you may be asking, how does one make such a radiant bag ready for the Halloween night? I'm Travis, the Upset Scientist with Heat Press Nation, and I welcome you to join me on how to press a glowing Halloween bag with Siser EasyWeed. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be the first to watch new tutorials, streams, and more from Heat Press Nation. If you're looking for a refresher on how to press heat transfer vinyl, check out our brief tutorial video by clicking on the card above. Now, let's reanimate this Halloween bag. First, find or create the vector design you'd like to cut and press onto your bag. Once settled, import the design to your cutter software. Since I have the Silhouette Cameo, I'll be importing it into Silhouette Studio. But keep in mind that in order to import vector graphics onto it, you will need to upgrade to the Designer Edition. Once imported, we can separate each layer by the color of your vinyl sheets or rolls. Then give each layer of vinyl their own weeding box. The Siser EasyWeed colors we'll be using for this design are all new and dastardly named, including Wicked Purple, Orange Soda, and of course, Glow in the Dark. If you're wondering if these materials can be layered on top of each other, they indeed can without issues. Now load your sheet of a roll of a particular layer's color and click Send to cut the layer once you're all ready. Alternatively, you can save each layer as their own file onto a FAT32 formatted flash drive and plug it into the Cameo itself. After loading your vinyl, tap the USB icon in the bottom left of the screen. Load the layer of the same color as the vinyl, review and modify the cutting settings, then tap Send once ready. Either way, you'll need to cut each layer one by one, making sure you don't blunder cutting one with the wrong color. After you've cut and weeded everything, it's time to press. Go ahead and press your first few layers for 3 to 5 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit. And for your final layer, we're going to press for the full 10 seconds at the same temperature. After all that, your bag is ready to radiate for the Halloween night. So as you can see, the process of creating a glowing Halloween bag may involve several steps, but it is rather straightforward in the end. It might not seem too scientific a process, but my science proves that it is indeed possible to press a glowing layered bag with Siser EasyWeed. It all depends on how creative you want to get with your designs. And if you'd like to share with us any of your own Halloween bag designs, post your work with the hashtag HPNCreators. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or call us at 800-215-0894, or you can visit heatpressnation.com. Link to the products are in the description below. I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and have a thrilling Halloween.